All right, Hoopers, welcome back to part 4 of this 5-part series. This portion of the series is gonna look something like this. All right, so let's break that down. We're gonna have the hoop in between our legs, just like this, and we're going to twist our body over to our dominant side and very lightly release our opposite leg. So as we twist, that's going to send the hoop over to our dominant side. When you release your opposite leg, it's just going to send the hoop over to your dominant side, and it's going to lean over your dominant leg, and it's just going to spin around. So we're here. You're just going to twist, release, and it should spin over to your dominant leg. You're gonna reach your dominant leg back and you're going to hook the hoop inside like this. Just to show you from the back, we have the hoop trapped in between our legs. We're gonna twist, release, and catch. Once you're in this position right here, you're just gonna bring the hoop out in front of you and you're gonna do a leg coin flip. So to do this leg coin flip, you just want to make sure that your foot is inside of the hoop. You're gonna twist the hoop over to your dominant side and you're gonna let the hoop spin around your dominant leg. You wanna use your opposite hand to push the hoop up, and you're gonna use your dominant hand to push the hoop down so that it creates this motion and sets the hoop up to spin around your leg just like that. So we're gonna be here and here. Now we're going to bring the hoop up and over, and we're gonna step through so that our feet are locked in like this. Then we're gonna step through once again, keeping that pressure of the lock with both hands inside of the hoop. All right, so let's take that from the beginning. Our hoop is trapped right here. We're going to twist, release, and catch. Now we're gonna swing the hoop up. We're gonna do a leg coin flip like this. Catch the hoop, bring it up and over, step your opposite leg through. From here, you're going to release your opposite hand and you're gonna bring the hoop up in front like this. So in this position right here, the hoop is gonna be landing on your biceps, your upper arms, and you're gonna have a little bit of space in between you and the front of the hoop. You're just going to lightly tap your hands and hinge the hoop around you like this. And then as the hoop is popping back up, you're going to sneak your dominant hand in and lock the hoop in this position right here. So we're here. Once it's popping back up, you're gonna sneak in and catch right here. Once you're in this lock position, you're gonna start spinning over your dominant shoulder and you're going to extend your hand out, still keeping that locked position. And then as you're facing the front again, you're gonna swing your hand all the way back and go into an escalator. So you're gonna swing it back, open up your hand, and as the hoop is swinging back, you're gonna lift up your opposite leg, create that crevice, and go into an escalator and catch with your dominant hand right here. All right, so let's take that from the beginning. You're gonna trap the hoop in between your legs. You're going to twist your body over to your dominant side. As the hoop is twisting, you're gonna release your opposite leg. The hoop is gonna naturally spin around your dominant leg. As the hoop is coming behind you, you're gonna sneak your foot in and you're gonna catch the hoop with your dominant leg. You're gonna hinge the hoop up and bring it up in this horizontal position right here. Go into a leg coin flip by flipping the hoop around your leg, and you're gonna catch it in the starting position right here. Now you're gonna swing the hoop up and over, interlock your arms inside of the hoop, step your opposite leg in, and you're going to release your opposite hand. You're gonna bring the hoop over to your dominant side, let it swing, and bring it up right here. Now you're gonna do a little bit of hinging by lightly tapping the hoop on the top. And as the hoop is popping back up, you're just going to hook your arm inside of the hoop like this. You're gonna have it in this locked position. You're gonna turn over your dominant side, turn, turn, turn. As you approach the front, you're going to extend your hand behind you, lift up your opposite leg, release your grip, and catch for an escalator. All right, Hoopers, so the move in its entirety so far is gonna look something like this. Hoopers, so we are almost at part 5 of this beginner combo series. If you have not watched any of the previous videos, be sure to check out the playlist that I have linked down below. It has all the previous combos listed in there. Again, feel free to just take bits and pieces of any part of these moves. It just gives you some ideas of how to get in and out of certain tricks. All right, Hoopers, so I will see you for part 5 of this beginner combo series. Happy hooping!